Madam, where's Madam?
Joe is here.
Sanjay, should we start now?
Yes, sir.
Well, as a Sergeant at Arms of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown, District 3080, good evening to all the Rotarians from District 330, 3292 and 3054. Now I hand over the meeting to the President of our club, Rotary Midtown, Sanjay Bhatia. Over to you, Sanjay Bhatia, the President.
Thank you very much, Sergeant Past President R.K. Luther.
The speech has good time.
Good evening and welcome to all of you. I would especially like to welcome the DGs of 3054, 3330, 3292, 3080. The PDGs also were present. We have Shaju here. All the presidents, members, and guests. We just rise for the national anthem. We play for India and subsequently for the other countries. Ruchi, can we start with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Gaurav. Hey,
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे सार्वभौम वैफल्ये एकमेची महाकाली सायो थुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको अक्षर वीरहरूका राजधानी स्वतन्त्र अचल ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई बहु जाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छन्दिशाला अग्रगामी राष्ट्र हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल
We'll now request Manki ma'am for the invocation for the evening. Manki ma'am,
A prayer. I'm learning to love you each hour of each day, learning to know you in every little way. I see you in my heart as you warm each throb of blood. I see you in my soul as it sparkles with your touch. So touch me, my Lord love, Warm your blood in my veins. Grow me with your grace in the light of your name. Thank you.
Thank you, Manki ma'am. Thank you for joining us and giving that beautiful prayer. So good evening once again to everyone who's present here today. As you are aware of the agenda today, it is the virtual RFE. We'll have a lot of discussions. We'll hear a lot on the friendship exchange, and we have teams who have participated. We have members who have participated in the friendship exchange much earlier than the districts we have in attendance today. It is a reunion of sorts. In 2018, we had the team from members from Thailand. In 2019, we had District 3054, and then we had the team from Nepal, and then there was a visit also to these countries, except for Nepal. I think they came. We could not make that visit because of the pandemic. And this reunion in a virtual, I think, is a wonderful event that the district RFE chair, Dr. Sanjay Kalra, has created along with support from other team members. There would be experience sharing. There would be, the whole idea is to members who do not have much idea, to motivate them, to take the advantages to understand these things. And without getting too much of details so that I don't rob anyone's speech, I would now hand over to Dr. Sanjay Kalra, the district RFE chair, to take over the proceedings from here. Welcome, Dr. Sanjay.
Am I audible?
Yes, very much.
Yeah. So good evening to you all. Now this beautiful evening has been organized to promote international friendship amongst the members of Rotary clubs from 4 districts, that is RID 3080, RID 3050, RID 3292 and 3330. Basically, 3080 is the host club, and we have Chandigarh Midtown and Rotary Club of Panchkula with us. 3054 is, we have representation from Ahmedabad Metro Rotary Club. 3292, we have a representation from Badgaon, Nepal, Rotary Club Badgaon, Nepal, and 10 other clubs. And 3330, we have teams from Thailand, Samut Sakon, Sanam Chan, Tharua. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce it rightly, Bangkok people. And now, all these teams, they have been with us through this virtual, through this physical exchange programs. And our club members have also, our teams have also been to Ahmedabad and to Thailand. We were in the process of planning a trip to Nepal, but because of the COVID situation, that we had to abandon. And most likely, whenever the situation becomes better, we are going to have this exchange with Nepal. So now all these programs, these Rotary Friendship Exchange programs, they open the opportunities for cultural, professional, and social exchange through the Rotary platform. And now this platform, I believe, for the next 1 year is going to be a virtual platform. So we wanted to make an experiment, and we wanted to collaborate with all the clubs with which we had already been there with them. And we wanted to relive those moments which we have had with all of them. So looking at the agenda today, the minute-to-minute program has already been circulated amongst all the teams and all the members across. And each team is going to be given 15 minutes, precisely 15 minutes, and where we will have the district governor of the respective club. He will give a brief overview about the goals in respect to the Rotary Friendship Exchange programs, or international exchanges or global grants. Then the presidents of each respective club is going to speak about their respective club's activities in short, and the representative of the respective teams are going to share their experiences with you in the form of PPT or maybe without a PPT, whatever is convenient to them. And in the end, we are going to have a 2 to 3 minutes of cultural program, and in that we thought of doing only the songs, because otherwise dance and all would be will not be visible rather on these small screens. But still, we will have some kind of cultural exchange through the folk songs of the respective districts. So not taking much of the time, let me first hand over the mic to team RC Ahmedabad Metro 3054. DG Rotarian Rajesh Agarwal could not be with us because of some prior engagements. And we have with us Rotarian Bhardwaj. He is the RFE chair, district RFE chair, and he is going to share his experiences. Then we have President Rotarian Arpit Shah with us, and the RFE experience is going to be shared by Rotarian Mehul Rathod. And then in the end, we'll have a small performance from Rotarian Bharat Chutti. Over to RC Ahmedabad Metro, RID 3050. 54, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Doctor. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yours.
We can hear you, sir.
We can hear you, but can it be made a little more loud?
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Kalra. And on behalf of my team, our team, I'm really thankful to you for providing this beautiful platform. Our club had a many exchange programs in past with Australia, with Kenya, with South Africa. But this program with Chandigarh Midtown, what we had, it has got a different bonding, and it was a fantastic day. Quickly, before going further, I would like to introduce my team member. I'll first introduce PDG Ravi Krasnari and Jyoti Ben. They are also on the team. Bharat Chutti and Rakesh and Rekha, Rashmi Bhai and Varsha Ben, and me and Bhavna. Namaskar. My president Arpit, secretary Arpit. Now I request, since our governor is not here, I request our past district governor Ravin Bhai to say 1 or 2 minutes about our district.
Friends, it's a pleasure to talk to all of you on the program of Friendship Exchange. This Friendship Exchange started way back, about 50 years back, because I am a Rotarian since about 1970, so I am the 50th year, and I have seen programs being Youth Exchange and our Friendship Exchange getting excellently being programmed, and everyone was getting fantastic advantage of this. The bondage that we get after the program is such that the relation we keep with the families are more than our own family members. So friends, these programs are always best. I would like to request you to promote not only exchange programs abroad, but also in our own countries, because our own country has also a lot to offer as a friend, and exchange programs will give you a lot of ideas about their culture and different places which you can visit under this program. I wish you all the best and best of luck for organizing such. COVID has given us fantastic opportunity to meet everyone. Today I am talking to a Rotarian in Thailand and also in Nepal because of this wonderful Zoom program that COVID has given us as a plus point of it. Thank you, friends. Pleasure talking.
Very well. I must say when the idea of exchange program with in the country came, it was absolutely new to our club, and my special thanks to my D10 president Sanjeev and secretary Rujuta, both have encouraged me like anything, and which resulted into this exchange program. Thank you. Now I hand over to Bharat Sundri. He will share about our experience of this program.
Good evening, all of you. Myself is Bharat Sundri, and I have taken a part last year in the exchange family program. I am going to give an explanation about the experience which we are having with the Chandigarh group. The Chandigarh families came at our place in last October. When they reached the airport, we all the 5 families visit. We are so much eager and excited to meet the new people. The point is this: we do not know how we can give them a welcome at our place. On the one side, we all are thinking about then how can we give a comfortable stay at our own house to the new people. Reason is the distance between the Ahmedabad and Chandigarh is 1200 kilometers. With totally different culture, different language, different religion, different style of living, and we are going to meet each other for the first time. At the first day when they came, a small party was arranged at my place for the introduction of each other, to come little close with each other. When we reached at my place, my guest was the youngest couple from the Chandigarh group, that is Nitini and Shivani. Shivani has actually started, and she had actually said, "Welcome to my home." That was a wonderful moment for me. My feeling was that my daughter came to my place from her in-laws, and she is now going to take care of their home. So the bonding started from very first day. We had a nice meeting on the first evening. Interaction was good. We tried to become close with each other. Next day, in the morning, we actually gathered at one historical temple. We have appointed a guide. And guide was actually given them the knowledge, information about our religion, Gujarati religion, and also actually given a wonderful knowledge and information about the construction of the city of Ahmedabad. We had took them at the ashram of Mahatma Gandhi, who had given a message of non-violence and truth to the entire world. Thereafter, in the evening hours, again we have tried to gather at one place, and we met with each other. And thereafter, on the very next day, early in the morning, at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m., actually we met at the place of Rakesh Bhai. Rakesh Bhai has kept a delicious breakfast. Thereafter, all the ladies, as usually, they have gone for the shopping, and we males actually sat together. We had a discussion about the profession of each other, discussion about the business, try to actually understand each other. We had tried to give them knowledge about the difference of the Gujarat and the Chandigarh. None of my relatives residing at Chandigarh, and no friend is also residing at Chandigarh. But at the same time, because of this program, we actually become slowly and gradually so much close with each other that on the same day, at the evening, our club has kept a special cultural program. The Chandigarh group has wonderfully actually performed their dance, as well as they came in the preparation of our dance also. And our members of our club actually met them. They have also enjoyed like anything. Not only that much, but some of the members said that why such an opportunity was not given to me. Thereafter, on the third day, we took them at our service project, which is at Village Timba, where our club has actually adopted one school to make it a smart school. Timba is a very small village. The villagers has offered a village cuisine to all of us. And thereafter, the evening hours, we actually went again at one known as the Vishala restaurant, which is having the ambience and atmosphere of a small village. There we have actually again met the members have also enjoyed. Now during all this period, we have shown them the surrounding historical places of Ahmedabad city. We have also enjoyed. The interaction and the closeness has actually become so much nice that from that very first meeting, we feel that the bonding is extended like one family. Then in month of February, we visited to the Chandigarh. Now at that time, the warm welcome of given to us directly we have taken at that club meeting. In the club meeting, actually we have been introduced by the president. From our side, our past president and the past governor Ravindra Bhai has actually given the introduction of all our members, and thereafter they have kept a nice dinner which we have enjoyed like it. On the next day morning, they had took us and started visiting the one places after another place. We had first of all gone to the Bhagra Jungle. Thereafter, the main thing was the Gurudwara. Gurudwara by which we can know about the history of the Punjabi, about the Sikhs, about how they have given the Langar Khana, where we have taken our lunch. Thereafter, for the period of 2 days, we have visited Amritsar. The Golden Temple is very much known in the world. We have visited over there. And again, though the members of the Chandigarh group, they are busy with their own schedule. But even then, all the members, Dr. Kalla Sahab, Premanand Bhai, Pramod Ji, and also Sanjay Bhai, Premanand Bhai and Sanjay Bhai, also given their valuable time to us. We become so much close because they have given us a lot of love and affection. And I would like to say that all the child families today become so much close with each other that we feel that though we are not having any relative at Chandigarh, today my personal feeling is that I am having 5 brothers and 5 sisters. You won't believe that we feel that the love and affection is actually extended up to the extent of that we are in the ocean of love and affection. Love and affection. But ultimately, all have to become established. The time of departure came. We all actually went to the airport. But because of this love and affection, all child families, each and every members are having tears in their eyes. And ultimately we become separate. But I would like to say that the hotels are everywhere in the world. But if we stay in the hotel, we are not going to get a knowledge of different culture, different religion, different type of language. Because you see, in Gujarat, we are quite different than the Punjabis. Gujaratis are quite conservative. When we found that in the Punjab, all the people are quite having a freedom. Not even in the way of food, but even in the alcohol also. we are in a prohibited area and they are enjoying alcohol every day. The point is this, that nobody is misusing that nobody is misusing, and each family, though they are having such type of freedom, they are living a wonderful life. So in the hotel, what we are going to get? Hotels are having the same type of people, same type of room, same type of ambience, same type of culture. Today, as I would like to say, that the Thailand club as well as the Nepal club is with. But what is the knowledge about me for the Nepal club? I can only say that Nepal is known as a Hindu country. No other country is known as a Hindu country. Thailand, I have been never in Thailand, but I like Thailand because I like the Thai food. You see, but if we can having a exchange program, then we can know lot of things from each other. We and the 55 families from the Chandigarh group become so much one that we all have decided, all the 10 families have decided that at least once in a month, we all have to meet on this Zoom. We are trying and decided to see that we all can meet once in a year at Chandigarh or in Ahmedabad. I thanks all of you. Now I hand over to our president, Arpi Bhai, by requesting lastly that this time also he can give such type of exchange program. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, friends from Rotarian friends from District 3080, 3054,
Good evening.
292 and 330. I'm going to introduce our club. Our club is a very vibrant club in our district. This is our silver jubilee year. It's 25th year of our club. A very big club with average membership of more than around 150 people every year. We are famous for our speaker meetings, our service projects, and the most important thing is we are very much into exchange programs. As Mehul Bhai and Bharat Bhai told, we have done a lot of family exchange programs, youth exchange programs. Actually, we have hosted 2 youth exchange programs, district youth exchange programs in last 3 years. And all of us are involved in hosting exchange members. So what Bharat Bhai said, I am 100% sure in this club-to-club exchange program was again a very good idea from Mehul Bhai, and we will be continuing that. All our other members from Nepal and Thailand, they are always welcome. We can surely have such programs in future once our this COVID situation is fine. As regards our club projects, I tell you, our club has a permanent physiotherapy center. We are into literacy programs. As told, we are adopting schools and we are making smart schools. Again, we do a lot of prosthetic hand projects. This year we have introduced 2 innovative programs. That is, one is DEET, that is Digital Education Enablement Program. Because of COVID, a lot of students, a lot of say young boys and girls, they don't have facility of online education because they don't have enough digital say equipments at hand. So we are requesting our friends and family members to donate such equipments to us, and that we are identifying people and then we are giving it to them. And second is a very environment friendly project, that's a PG project, wherein we are doing tree plantation in an innovative. I think that's all from my club, and you all are invited, always most welcome, and this is our 25th year. I request all of you to come down to Ahmedabad. We'll have a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
Dr. Kalra, over to Dr. Kalra.
Okay, thank you. मुझे याद आ गई, मुझे लगा कि अभी हमें थेफला और फाफड़ा आने वाला है, और फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन मेहुल, आज मेरी वाइफ ने सुबह खींचू बनाया, सो उससे भी आप और आप सबको हम लोगों ने पूरा याद करा. थैंक यू सो मच. Now I move on to the next presenters. Team RC Sanam and 6 clubs, RID 3330. We have District Governor Rotarian Chaler Chan. Okay, he's not there. President Rotarian Napa, RFE Coordinator Rotarian Anchali, and team of Ratmani, Joe, Mio, and there'll be a folk song by Joe Chachwal, I suppose. Joe, are you ready? Okay, over to Anchali, please.
Hi. Anchali, unmute yourself.
Okay. Hi. Joyce, come. Nice to see you. And hope we can meet you again next time. And I'm very glad to meet all of you here. And I don't know where Joe is now because he will prepare to sing a song and share his experience. But he didn't come, so I will tell you that I'm very glad to meet all of you in India and Nepal. Everybody over there is very, very nice, and hope we can exchange our friendships again. So I have nothing to to say more. Okay, thank you.
Hello, Sanjay.
Coming? I don't know, Joe is still coming.
Yes, I'm here.
You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Hello, Sanjay.
Sanjay sir, please unmute yourself.
Dr. Sanjay Kalra, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes, yes.
Hello, Sanjay. Yeah, he was my host and he was an excellent host.
Thank you very much, Sanjay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's Vanita doing?
Yeah, she's fine. She's with me.
Hi. Oh, hi, Vanita. How are you? Yeah.
We are good. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, thank you for all of your hospitality. We have very good experience during IFE exchange in Chandigarh, and especially that we have a chance to visit to Dharamsala, and we have a lot of good experience. You have give us a very good care and hospitality. Yep. I'm sorry that we are not good in speaking English, because it's
no, it's fine.
Yeah. Okay. So I think that the IFE program is very good. Yeah. Not only to 3080 before you visit yours, we also went to 3020. It is at South. Yeah. And we have very good experience. We have some difficulty on the food, but anyway, you know what? We went to the South. We were at the South at first, and we have many difficulty because you guys not eat a lot of meat, but our team meat lover, you know, make us some difficulty. But when we go up north, it's like we go to the one in heaven, right? Yeah, we have a chance to have the meat, more meat. Yeah, some of our members, she cannot take the how can I say? She's not familiar with the Indian food, so it's a kind of difficulty situation also. But anyway, we learn a lot. We learn, we gain the experience from Europe. We learn the culture. We have seen many places. We have learned many projects from your side, and we would like to summer project that we will apply to our club also. In you have done very good, very good, like water project, water sanitation project. Yeah, we also apply that, but not only the water program. We are in Thailand in this year for the NPORIO during in the October 24th. We are going to have the big program in our district. We are going to grow the tree. Everybody, every club will start the same day to grow the tree. We not, how can I say, it depends on the club how many trees that they would like to grow to plant. It's up to them. But anyway, we are going to wear the same shirt, the red shirt. That shirt is has been made by our district governor. For every church will be about 50-60 baht donate to the polio program. Yeah, and I think this is one of the good program also. So, and for the cultural, for the other thing, I think that we have only 2-3 members from Thailand to join this Zoom meeting. I don't know if other might have some comment or something to say or not. If anybody have something to say, please help me.
Napa is here. Napa, President Napa is here.
Yeah. Kun Napa, me have.
Yes. Hello, everybody.
Hi, President Napa.
Hi.
Nice.
Hi. I feel terrible that I couldn't join the traveling for the last 2 times. But even though I was not in the front row, but I am supporting the team behind the scene. And that I only heard good things about the group visiting your country and Nepal as well. When they came back, I was told that they really love the people. They enjoyed the trip so much. And that when we had a chance to welcome you all, it was such a good feelings to receive you here in Thailand. And having said that, when Kun Jo said, oh, there's problem with food and so on and so forth, I would like to say Thailand is the best. Whether you are vegetarian or non-vegetarians, we have that to cater to you. So you are always welcome to Thailand. And I think the program is really great because, as you mentioned earlier, it is about professional, cultural, and as well as personal. And I think many of us came back and very happy personally, knowing each other personally. I think that is such a personal touch that everyone is very touched about knowing each other. That's a great thing. Yep.
So, yeah, thank you, President. We have Mew with us. Can Mew, do you want to share your experience with us? Mew, she's the one who had the maximum problem with the food. Mew was there, I suppose. 1 second. No, I think maybe she's.
I saw Mew actually at the start of the. Yeah, she's there.
She's there. Yeah.
I've asked her to unmute herself. Mew, can you please unmute yourself?
Just a second. In the meantime, I would like to welcome our immediate past district governor, Jitendra Dhingra, sir. Good morning, good evening, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us. Namaskar.
And all of them have been, yes.
And all these people who came to India for the program, they have been your guests. So you have been gracious enough to host all of them for sightseeing in Kurukshetra and serving a dinner for them. So they're also delighted to meet you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. Thank you. You are again welcome. If they want to,
thank you, sir.
most welcome again and again to Kurukshetra.
Right, sir. Mew is there?
Yeah, but she's seemingly not able to unmute, or I think, I don't know. She's there, but you know.
So let us go back to Joe, who is going to give us a beautiful song. You remember, Joe, the last evening when all of us sang. You remember, Joe? You have to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you remember the evening when all of us sang and you told me, I told you that I don't sing English songs. He said you try, and then we went on and on and on and on.
Yeah. Okay, but anyway, I think that today we are going to open some song for you to listen, okay? It's
Right.
the cultural song that is being, this Loi Katong, right? This is Loi Katong. Loi Katong is like a full moon festival. It's like a song for the full moon festival. Actually, this song is going to be, we are going to play by the time that we have the ceremony. We pray, we give the respect to the river. By normally, it will be on the month of November, about that. So listen, and then we can join together. Okay?
Yeah.
อาจารย์ช่วยด้วยนะครับอาจารย์จะรำก็ได้นะครับลำวงมาลอยกระทงบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจวันเพ็ญเดือน12
บ้านนอกคุณตะลิงเราไว้ชา
สนุกกันจริงวันลอยกระทงลอยกระทงกันแล้วขอเชิญน้องแก้วมาลำวงวันลอยกระทงลำวงวันลอยกระทงบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจเดือน12น้ำกันนองเต็มตลิ่งเราทั้งหลายชายหญิงสนุกกันจริงวันลอยกระทงลอยกระทงลอยกระทงลอยกระทงกันแล้วขอเชิญน้องแก้วมาลำวงวันลอยกระทงลำวงวันลอยกระทงบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจ
Very good. Thank you. It was amazing. And I remember that I've heard this song during one of your meetings.
Yeah.
So now we go on to the next team. That is team from Nepal. That is Rotary Club Bhadgaon and 10 other clubs from RID 3292. We have DG Rotarian Rajiv Pokharel with us. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the program. We have President Prakash Thapa with us and RFE Coordinator, District RFE Coordinator, Rotarian Manoj Kandel. And the RFE experience is going to be shared by Rotarian Chandra and team. And then there'll be a folk song by Rotarian Basunti. And I remember, Basunti, your songs and your dances were amazing, amazing. And we have with us Rotarian, past President Rotarian Mohinder Nandwani and his wife Veena Nandwani with us, who is from Rotary Club Panchkula. Welcome to you, sir and ma'am. And I hope you will be glad to see all these people from Nepal whom you hosted. And we had a very nice time at your place. Thank you so much. So over to team from Nepal. Manoj, Rotarian Manoj.
Yeah, namaste, namaste everybody.
Namaste.
It's my life partner. First of all, I would like to thank you for this great opportunity, this great initiation from the Rotary Club of Chandigarh. Right now, we have from Nepal, we have total 8 Rotarian who are in this meeting right now. They are in this meeting. So I would like to introduce all the members who are in this meeting with our respected district governor, Rajiv Pokhrel sir also here. Then before we had a nice friendship exchange with Chandigarh, because there is a 2 club who were hosted us. Rotary Club of Chandigarh Midtown and the Panchakula. I am so happy here to see the IPDG Jitendra Dhingra also, because he hosted us in the Kurukshetra and had a nice dinner. He was hosted in that meeting also. I would like to thank you him again. It was nice to meet again here. And the same in our host, Mohinder sir and her Bhavi also is here. It's nice to see after a long time. So first of all, I would like to introduce our district governor, Rajiv Pokhrel sir. Rajiv sir, because I want to hear, and then our team, or Basanti Sahi, who was also in the team when we had a friendship action with the 2000 in that time. And then Manoj Ghimire, past president Manoj Ghimire also is here. He is from the Rotary Club.
Good evening, everybody.
And he is from the Rotary Club of Kapan, a different club. And then Rotary Club of Bhatgaon, there is a member of Bhatgaon, Jitendra Bhandari. He was also the team. And then Chandra Guru, also here. And beside this, we have a past president Rotarian Mohan Singh Khadka. So he is from RC Pokhara Lakeside, and he is a co-chair of Rotary Friendship Exchange Committee in 3292 this year. And then past president Krishna Bahadur Magar also here. He is from RC Tarumati, a member of Rotary Friendship Exchange Committee 3292. Thank you for all this. And then we have already divided some work also. So our member Chandra Gurung is going to have us experience sharings when we had a Rotary Friendship Exchange. So please, Chanda ji, let's proceed and share our experience on behalf of our Nepali team.
Okay, namaste. Namaste, good evening. Namaste, everyone. Virtual Rotary Friendship Exchange of District 3054, 3292, 330, and 3080. Respected all president and respected Sanjay Bhatia, and respected all Rotary distinguished guests, warmly welcome. I am Chanda Gurung from RI 3292, Kathmandu, Nepal, Rotary Club of Bhatgaon. Now I am very happy and excited to share my experience in Nepal-India Friendship Exchange Program. It was a wonderful journey and memorable trips. This program would not be possible if respected our charter president Manoj Kandel and respected Dr. Rita Karela did not plan it. It was wonderful and it was a great opportunity for us. And in our journey, finally we reached Chandigarh. Then all respected Rotarian welcome us. Then we found RILA program going on the program. This program gives workshop handicapped people and to show their talent. It was really kindness and amazing program in Chandigarh. We have many programs. We were picked up host family. We stayed in 3 places all together. The house was so beautiful with the architecture decorated with traditional equipment and traditional food. And our journey is starting. Mr. Paulo Mukherjee took us to Rock Garden, Chandigarh University, and Mr. Ashok Kumar took us Virasat, Khasla, Anandapur Guru, and many more temples. And we also visited Rotary Club of Panchakula, where there was house for Rotary activists. That was really amazing. And on 1 hour thing in Chandigarh Hospital, we planted 2 Jamuna tree with Dr. Rita in the name of Nepal in Defensive Exchange. Thank you, Dr. Rita and Sanjay Karla, both are multi-talent, brilliant, social, legendary person. And thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Mahindra Nandwani and Mr. and Mrs. Kandalia and Mr. and Mrs. Nitin Kumar and Mr. and Mrs. Asik Puri. It's for a wonderful trip. And we got a great chance to attend a dinner with DZ of 3080, DCN, President and PP of Rotary Club of Kurukshetra. And this type of friendship program must be continued because it helps to increase the relationship among the Rotarian to exchange the culture, relation, and many more. And thank you for your golden time for listening to my experience, my journey. Have a sweet dream and namaste everyone. Once again, thank you so much. Stay safe. God blessing you all and me also. And thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you, Chandaji. This is a great experience. We know that because this actually I don't know more other experience. This was our first friendship exchange, so we have a lot of we learn a lot of things also. That's why after this friendship exchange, our district governor also nominated me as a district RFE chair. So maybe because of that experience, that I think that is the main reason. And that's why we are also now working on that other RFE also, but because of this pandemic, COVID pandemic, we were not able to do other more physical access. But now we are here, and this is also one of the things. And we are very happy to meet the other club like Rotary Club from the Thailand, and then the Ahmedabad. So this is nice, and then maybe the next times we can have action with the Thailand, or the other place of the India. Now, if there is a time, before that, I would like to ask our Rotary President Basanti ji for the folk song. So after that, I think I want to share one. Our global GAN also for all the districts and the club also, if all of us club, if they want to join this project, support this project, global GAN. So I would like to welcome to us. Before that, I would like to request Basanti ji for the folk song from Nepal side. Basanti ji.
Basanti ji, unmute.
Basanti, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes. Namaste, good evening to you all. I am very happy to see you all. Very long time. Thank you, Dr. Rita and Dr. Carla, Sanjay Carla. Who's Carla? You say, I am very happy to see you. And thank you for Manoj ji for giving me the opportunity. I'm not a professional singer, but entertainment, just entertainment. I have to return to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 lines songs, and I'm trying to share with you. This is my cultural dress. Now I am wearing. This is Nepali pote, tileri. It's called tileri Nepali. This is pote. I'm very happy to. Let's start. राई छुमा छुमा क्या मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा छुमा क्या मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा क्या मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा जहाँ जहाँ भए पनि रोटरियन साथी जहाँ जहाँ भए पनि रोटरियन साथी कोरोनाले छोएको छ आजकल हामी माथि म त राई छुमा मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा राई छुमा क्या मस्का कि छ राई छुमा कोभिडको सुरुवात भयो बिरह लाउँदछ कोभिडको सुरुवात भयो बिरह लाउँदछ चण्डीगढका साथीहरू छलछलको आउँदछ म त राई छुमा मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा क्या मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा सधैँभरि सम्झिरह्या चिन्जान भइगयो हाम्रो सधैँभरि सम्झिरह्या चिन्जान भइगयो हाम्रो घरमै बसी जुममा मिटिङ सबैभन्दा राम्रो म त राई छुमा क्या मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा क्या मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा जिब्रो पनि पहेँलो छ बेसार पानी पिँदा जिब्रो पनि पहेँलो छ बेसार पानी पिँदा सम्झना छोडेर साथी अब हुन्छु बिता म त राई छुमा क्या कि छौ राई छुमा क्या मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा क्या मस्का कि छौ राई छुमा थ्याङ्क यू
Very good. Nice.
Thank you, Basanti ji. Actually, this folk song is from the western part, and very famous folk song in Nepal also. She is telling like we are missing Chandigarh friends because of the COVID. We are not doing other exchange like that. She is related all this issue within the COVID pandemic. So it was a very nice song. Thank you again. So I would like to present a 1 minute our project on ventilator project. So I would like to request Rita ji or Sanjay ji to show in the screen that there is a 1-page screen my presentations. Is it possible? Here.
Yeah, I have it.
The presentation I
not
have.
Not a presentation, but just I just want to give. Small.
I have one.
Slide.
One slide, yeah, only one slide.
This is a printout of the global grant project that Manoj ji has sent it to us, and like this. So I think I'll. You want me to read it out, Manoj?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is good.
This is good.
So actually, I would like to kindly request to all 4 clubs and 4 districts. Actually, one club is Rotary Club Bhatgaon and one is 3292. We already participated on this project. So other 3 clubs who are in this meeting and other 3 districts who are in the meeting. So I'd like to request for this ventilator support to community hospital in fight COVID-19 in Nepal. So, so this is the total. We would like to hand over the 7 ventilator project, the ventilator to the community hospital, because in Nepal, why we choose this global grants? Because as a Nepal government's data, Nepal has only 840 ventilator in Nepal. Okay, and the record says there are more than 25% ventilators are not working right now. That means 210 ventilators is not working. So total in Nepal, we have only 630 ventilator, and it's about one ventilator is for the 45,000 people. So this is, so right now we have a big shortage in Nepal ventilator. It's a big issue in Nepal. We don't have a ventilator. That's why we are we choose this project, and then we are working on this project. So I would like to request all the 3 district and 3 clubs, if you have money or whatever you want to participate in this project, that's why I just want to request it. So right now, the cost 7,007 liter cost is this is tentative cost is $15,000 for the one ventilator. So total cost is 105,000 USD. Now commitment is Rotary Club Bhatgaon 30,000 USD and Global Fund Match 15,000, so 45,000 there. Rotary International District 329 committed 5,000, so fund match old fund match 5,000, total 55,000 is here. So I would like to request like a district 3080 if possible 5,000, district 3050 5,000, so district 3330 5,000. So total, and maths also 5,000, so it's total 30,000. So other 4 clubs 5,000. The total is 15,000. And global math is 7,500. Total 22,500. So total cost is 107. So if we able to do this, so we can make this project possible. So I would like to request and kindly request to all this club member and district DG, and even Jitendra sir also there, Jitendra Ringra, and then otherwise, if you have any other connection with the other district, other club, like other countries also, you can ask them, you can request them to join this project also. It's not like only you, if your club do not have any money, then you can, if you have a friendship, well friendship to other club, other districts, so you can request with them also, so we can make this project global grant possible. So just simple information for the COVID situation in Nepal. Right now, total infected in Nepal 35,500. So today is around every day 1,000 people are infected in Nepal. So total death is 183. 183 is total death. Total recovery 20,000. So now treatment in the ICU treatment, 60 people are in the ICU, and treatment in ventilator 125 people who are in the ventilator. Every day case is increasing, and critical case also every day increasing nowadays. That's why we are trying to help this ventilator project to support the community hospital in the community hospital nearby the Bhatgaon areas, community hospital. That's why I just want to request this for all of you. Thank you for this listening to me. Okay. Now, again, in the last, I would like to thank you for the Rotary Club of District, Rotary Club of Chandigarh Midtowns, who are making this possible, this virtual friendship exchange. So I think our DG also here, and he will speak maybe later on. Maybe I'm not sure. So thank you again. And now I just leave.
Can I say something? I need to leave actually. I was said it will be only for 2 minutes. I've got another program and I've been waiting. So if you don't mind, if I could just say a few words, because I think I'm the only district governor here.
Yeah. That's why now I would like to request to our respected DGs for some remarks on this issue, and and our district program and other things. I would like to request Rajiv sir.
Can you remove this please from the screen so that I can see everybody?
Shuchi. It's not in my hands. It was not shared by me. I think it was shared by, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Great to be here. Actually, but before I was not even said like what exactly this program was. Manoj just told me, sir, it's a friendship exchange program. So why don't all the governors are going to be here? So why don't you come? You know, this is my 7th program today. where I'm speaking. I'm pretty tired actually. I'm not well also. So I thought I'll be here, but still I had to wait. But it's great. I think I listened to most of you, and it just shows like what a great time you all have had, like, you know, last year when you all met each other. And that's what Rotary is all about. You know, that's what exchanging ideas, you know, your culture, just getting to know each other. And the most important thing is you make this permanent friend. You know, once a Rotarian, always a Rotarian, once a Rotarian friend, always a Rotarian friend. So that's what I think. It's a great program that you all did. And I would say, like, you know, this should turn into other things also, apart from this friendship and all these cultural exchange. I think it should go into projects and, you know, other things that, you know, where we can help the community. It doesn't have to be in one country. It can be in different countries. You know, that sort of, you know, that this sort of bond that you have, which I could see, you know, that should materialize into something more in a sense, helping the community. That's what we all do. We are all here to do. So these sort of things, if you could do, I think this will be even better. But of course, your fellowship is excellent. And I would say in this time of, like, you know, dull, everybody's feeling very low, you know, because of the COVID and all, at least you people have organized this and having a great time here. So my many congratulations to you all, and I wish you all the best. And of course, our district looks forward to welcome you all in person, but I don't know whenever the COVID will allow us. So anyway, anytime you people want to visit our country, you are most welcome. We will love to host you. So our district will always welcome from India, from Thailand, anywhere. And we have other countries also who are very interested in doing friendship exchange this year also. And we look forward that things will get better and people will be able to move around. And then, you know, we can even meet in person. So my best wishes, and thank you for inviting me. I really enjoyed your stay, but unfortunately I cannot stay back for the last part of the program as I have to leave for another program. But great seeing you all, and enjoy Rotary. This is all Rotary is all about. Thank you and good night.
Thank you, DG Rajib. It was nice to hear your voice and your comments, and we would definitely like to all the districts who have collected here, 3080, 3054, 3292 and 3330, we would like to collaborate in this project, global grant project that Manoj has proposed. Probably all of us are going to put this in our board and maybe come up with something. That will be our utmost desire to be a part of this project. Thank you so much for being with us, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. And now let us move on to the next team, the last team, that is team of from Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown, RID 3080, where we have DG Rotarian Ramesh Bajaj with us. Our President Rotarian Sanjay Bhatia is with us. And the RFE experience is going to be shared by Rotarian Ritu Bhatia and Rotarian Nitin Kapoor. And as a special permission, they are going to speak for about 5 minutes or 5 to 6 minutes each, because we visited 2 countries. And the folk song will be by Rotarian Bir Gulati. So over to team of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown. President Sanjay Bhatia, sir.
Okay, I thought DG was coming, or can I go ahead?
He'll be joining in the lab. He'll be speaking.
Sanjay bhai, Sanjay Bhatia. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm really sorry for interruption, but there's one thing I forgot. When we are sitting, it is the studio setup of Varsha and Rashmi bhai, and she had already prepared a folk song. But unfortunately, I forgot. May I have a permission to?
Everybody was asking, where is your performance? How did you?
All ladies will come. All ladies. For the benefit, hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, for the benefit of our Thailand friend, I'll show this what she's wearing, this typical Indian dress, which is called sari. In India, there are many types of sari, but this is a typical kind of a Gujarati sari, which ladies are wearing in this part of the country. All these ladies are wearing Gujarati style of sari. And wherever you are assembled. Huh?
भावना ने भी पहना, आप बता ही नहीं रहे।
ये भावना ने भी पहना है, ये तो है, ये देखा। और wherever we have assembled, this is a studio of Rashmi Bhai and Varshaben, just it is prepared for singing and gathering. And I would like Varshaben to sing a Gujarati song Garba, which is the longest festival in the world, dancing festival in the world.
Over to Sanjay Bhatia. Thank you. Thank you, Neil Bhai. Thank you so much. Over to Sanjay Bhatia. President Sanjay Bhatia.
Thank you. Thank you. Neil Bhai, I think it was good. आपने पहले दूसरे का performance देखा, फिर we really were waiting. You know, a lot of people were asking कि आपका performance, आपके club का performance. We were really waiting. Thank you for coming in and putting this, and sort of, you know, like an introduction to me coming back. So to all the guests, dignitaries, if we think of the you know, pre-digital days, which you can actually call the primitive days, when we used to travel abroad, travel anywhere in India, you know, the postcard was a very common phenomenon, you know, picture postcard. So this is what has been my experience. I had not been to any RI convention until the last one, which was a virtual convention, which I can't really say I've attended a convention. But when I went to through the RFE, you know, we hosted, and then when we visited the countries, you know, for those who have not been there, you know, it is almost like a picture postcard memory that you bring back. It's a picture postcard memory which it never goes out of your memory, and which I think it's a wonderful opportunity today to be able to meet friends again online. And as has been said by others also, this has to go forward with more cooperation, collaboration with projects and any other type of support, and definitely revisits. Revisits could be with different members who have not gone. The idea is to also motivate them. I quickly just run through briefly, since we on the projects, we have just completed about 2 months. We did have an obstacle initially regarding club meetings. We have managed to do our come back to regular meetings on Zoom. And so obviously that is helping us to focus on reconnecting to the members, because in these times that is also very important. On community service, yes, we have been supporting for education. We've been supporting students with study aids, with financial support, because there are many whose parents have lost their jobs. We do have plans to utilize this time to do some construction wherever needed, as the schools are not yet being attended to by the students. So over the next 2 months, we have plans to do toilet construction or additional classroom construction. On vocational, we have been also doing support for to train people who are jobless as of now into new skills. It could be a simple thing like training them for driving lessons, the youngsters, and sewing classes also. We have also started or resumed adult literacy with maintaining our social distancing. International service, as you can see, there's already lots happening. Dr. Sanjay Kalra is the director in the club for international service. And for youth, again, Rotractors, there's a lot of focus. We are engaging with them, and in a different way. We are actually trying to have a reporting system where we see their projects and we support them, because that is a very big force. If you look at numbers, if you look at members, that's a very big force. And during these times, it is also the youth which needs our support. Dr. Sanjay Kalra, I'll actually take your permission. We have an induction. Can we do it in 2-3 minutes right now? Okay, I can take your nod there. I'll just check if, yes, Shashi Jain ji is there. I would like her to introduce a member we would be inducting today, since this is a new member in Club Development Month. Shashi ji, can you unmute and just introduce a new member we would be inducting? And I'll ask Rotarian Arjun ji also to stand by to be doing the induction process. The member we would be inducting is Justice Raj.
Rashina, please unmute yourselves.
There's a button at the bottom left of the screen, Michael. You'll have to press that, Shashi ji. There's a mic button. You'll have to press it once only. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
President Rotarian Sanjay Bhatia, Secretary Shuchi Thakur, fellow Rotarians and friends. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce Justice Raj Rahul Garg to our club, Rotary Club of Chandigarh Midtown. In fact, I have known her for over 50 years. She's been a meritorious student, a brilliant student, and has been a scholarship holder. After having finished her BA honors, she did her LLB, and then in 1981, she joined the judicial service. And ultimately, she rose to the position of Judge of Punjab and Haryana High Courts. After a superannuation, she was made the chairperson of Haryana Government Private Colleges Admission and Fee Committee. And now these days she is busy with arbitration work. In her judicial career, she has always stood by the justice and righteousness. Sometimes she gave very bold decisions, very bold judgments, and she was so much well known in her circles for her righteous decisions that nobody dared to approach her for any consideration. Though formally she is being introduced to the Rotary today, but I think she's always lived by the principles of Rotary. She has contributed so much to the community service. She sponsors the education of many children. She sponsors the studies and
of her servants, and she gives donations to many institutions. Her husband, Dr. Rahul Garg, is a big support to her in this act of philanthropy, because he's always been on the front side as far as the helping of needy and poor is concerned. So, and she's a very kind-hearted person. And above all, she's a very nice human being. I'm sure she's going to be an asset to our club. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Arjanji to kindly induct Justice Raj Rahul Garg. Justice Raj, can you unmute yourself for a minute? Can we have Arjanji also?
Raj ma'am, yeah, Arjun sir is already unmuted, and Justice Raj has been unmuted as well. Both are unmuted.
Great. Arjanji?
Arjun sir, is it the same problem we have? Arjun sir, can you hear us? No, we can't hear you, Arjun sir. We can't hear you. And we can't see you. Yeah, we can't hear you, Arjun sir. We can only see you half face. I think we have the same problem, President sir. We can't hear Arjun sir.
Can I request Tulsi ji, who's here?
Yes, he's there. Sir, please accept my unmute.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please.
So can I request you to kindly induct Justice Raj as a member of the club?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
My pleasure to induct Justice Raj Rahul Garg. This is virtual, so take it that you have been pinned as a member of our club. I welcome you to the club, and it'll be great to have a next judge of the High Court to be part of our club. Thank you for joining. Thank you very much.
Justice Raj, can you unmute? I can give you just a minute if you want to say something. Otherwise, congratulations definitely to you for joining in.
Sanjay,
I think we'll carry on. Sanjay, Dr. Sanjay, we'll carry on. Sorry, go ahead. I'll give it to you.
So, Chandigarh Midtown, let us start with our program. Ritu, first Ritu is going to speak about her experience. Rotarian Ritu Bhatia, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, Rotarians, Rotarians, and my dear guests.
Good evening.
Swadhika to the Thailand team.
Swadhika.
My first brush with Rotary Friendship Exchange program was in March 2018, when RFE team of District 3330, Thailand, visited our District 3080. I had no major roles or responsibilities during that event, but my multiple interactions with the team left me intrigued and fascinated that how Rotarians went all out of their way to make their stay a memorable one. Visits were organized to Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, and it included the visit to His Holy Highness Dalai Lama. Next month in April 2018, it was the turn of District 3080, our district, for its reciprocal visit to Thailand, District 3330, the land of smiles. Living up to its name, the hosts welcomed us with their broad smiles and open arms. During this trip, my impression of the Rotary Friendship Exchange about this program changed completely. I felt as if it was a vacation and we were visiting far off staying friends. My impression of Rotary changed completely with this visit. We were floored by the hospitality of our hosts, and love and warm affection showered upon us from everyone we met during this trip. I was a vegetarian and I had apprehensions of going on this trip. But to my surprise, my hosts went out of their way to arrange all vegetarian meals for me. Not once did I regret my decision. A special mention were the district conference which we attended, packed with local flavor, colorful costumes, traditional dances, local delicacies, and not to mention their happy faces. Then the boat ride in the by-lanes of the canal, going through their shopping markets and residential areas. The evening cruise on the river was so exciting when the members themselves cooked on board for us. We danced away till the evening. A special mention to the gala night, which was organized to coincide with their New Year, which took us in touch with the flavor of how they respect their elderly on that day by washing their feet. So in all, this district friendship exchange program enriched my life immensely. I came back with accumulated shared travel experiences, long-lasting friendships, and not to mention getting to know the first-hand experience of culture and customs of the country I visited. My special thanks to Anjali, Damrong and his wife Vanida, Joe and his wife Vanita, Ratnamani and Meow. Thank you so much. It was a most wonderful, interactive Rotary Friendship Exchange program I've ever went to. Thank you.
Nitin, Rotarian Nitin, please.
Yes, yes. Good evening, all of you. Generally, in physical conferences, what happens is attendees keep on looking the M2M. So who is going to speak in the last, because other eyes is on the drinks and dinner table. And sometimes what happens is the last speaker is not only the speaker but also the listener. But thanks to the virtual conference that you can mute yourself, switch off your video, enjoy your and dinner or snacks, and listen to me. Thank you. First and foremost, I want to say that this was not a friendship exchange program. This was a heart exchange program. Yes, we exchanged hearts when we met. Really, when I said yes to this program, only one voice was coming to my mind. And that voice was of great Amitabh Bachchan ji, Kabhi to aao Gujarat mein. And I just wanted to visit Gujarat once. But there were few concerns: liquor, as it was a dry state, meetha khana, and cultural differences. But who cares? I wanted to enjoy with 9 other people, and agenda of my wife was clear: ajrak ke suit, shopping, that's it. But to be very honest, we were very lucky that they hosted us first, because they explained us what hospitality is, what planning is, what love is, and how to host other people. Each and everything was so meticulously planned that we enjoyed thoroughly. Whether it was a city tour, stepwells, Gandhi Ashram, mosques, palaces, temples, car museum, you name it, we enjoyed it. Generally, we Punjabis boast of our food: chole bhaturas, dal makhani, paneer masala, and other things. But if you have not taken chai and maska pav at Lucky Tea Stall, Fafda Jalebi Chandra Vilas, lunch at Navjeevan Press, dinner at Manek Chowk and Vishala, then you have not tasted anything. I don't know why there is a fast food chains, Thai food chains, South Indian chains, Punjabi food chains, but why not Gujarati food chains? I'm working on it. Most probably, I will open a Gujarati food restaurant. But all these were experiences. To be very honest, the best part was bonding, what we get. When we departed, there were tears from both ends, and we wept it like anything. And now Shivani is half Gujarati actually, because Bharat Bhai and Bhavna Bhan adopted her, and I'm the Jawai of Gujarat now. We have upgraded, upgraded ourselves from Canadian Punjab to Gujarati America, so that we can enjoy this. And the last, just want to say, I don't sing in the bathroom also, but for my Gujarati friends, we both want to sing something. अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं I love you, गुजराती में बोले तन मैं प्रेम करूं छू और पंजाबी विच कहंदे ने तेरी तो तेरे बिन मर जाना मैं तैनू प्यार करदा तेरे जियो नहीं लबनी ओ साथी हो. And the fact is, tere jo nahi labni means we will not get something like you. You are very dear to us, and thanks to wonderful experiences, and thanks for hosting us and come here and enjoy with us like a family. Now, Bharat Bhai said that he has 5 brothers and sisters, but I will say he has 4 brothers and sisters and 2 sons and 1 daughter and 1 jawai. Thank you, sir.
I would request Beer Gulati ma'am to present her folk song, please. Beer Gulati ma'am.
Yes.
And thank you, Nitin. It was amazing, as always. You have that sense of humor and...
It's all due to me, sir.
भाइयों का साथ भी तो होता है कुछ.
चनवे के शौकन मेले दी चनवे के शौकन मेले दी पैर धो के झांजरा पौंदी मेल दी आंदी के शौकन होए चनवे के शौकन मेले दी चनवे के कगरा भी गजदा चनवे के कगरा भी गजदा ओदा लक दे मरोड़े खावे पेश ना जावे के शौकन होए चनवे के शौकन मेले दी चनवे के लड्डुआं दा पा पुछदी चनवे के लड्डुआं दा पा पुछदी ओदे गोरियां हथां दी मेहंदी बड़ा कुछ कहदी के शौकन होए चनवे के शौकन मेले दी चनवे के राइयां नु राह भुल गए चनवे के राइयां नु राह भुल गए ओदे लौंग दे पैन लश्कार पेश ना जावे के शौकन होए चनवे के शौकन मेले दी चनवे के उत्ते लगे अंब रसिया चनवे के उत्ते लेके अंब रसिया गल पा के वास कट काली मुरब्बिया वाली के शौकन हाय चनवे के शौकन मेले दी गल पा के प्रांजरा पहन के शौकन मेले दी चनवे के शौकन हाय चनवे के शौकन मेले दी. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would request our District Governor Ramesh Bajaj sir. He's just logging in. He's logged in already. Ramesh sir.
The last.
Yeah, Ramesh sir is there, and he's unmuted also.
Okay.
He's unmuted.
All right. So DG Ramesh sir, can we have your address, please?
Ramesh sir, can you hear us?
Yes.
Sir, we can't hear you, Ramesh sir, for some reason. No, you're not audible.
वॉल्यूम से फोन का वॉल्यूम देख
No, no, you're not audible, Ramesh sir.
फिर से कनेक्ट
No, not yet.
You can either try an alternate device or maybe just log in
Yeah.
again
Maybe you
quickly.
can try another device or maybe try to log in again.
If the members don't mind, I think Beer ma'am can do quick one more.
हाँ
A short one.
बीर मैम सही कौन हाँ
And DG sir can keep trying. I mean, he can keep trying his voice. So
Punjabi song?
short and quick one.
Hanji, hanji.
Short and quick one. Short and quick one.
संजय एक बार डीजी सर से बात कर लो
मैं कर
ਐਵੇਂ ਨਾ ਲੜਿਆ ਕਰ ਢੋਲਾ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਾ ਲੜਿਆ ਕਰ ਢੋਲਾ ਵੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਸੇਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਆਈ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਕਦ ਸਾਡੀ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੂੰ ਸੁਣ ਸਜਣਾ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਵਾਜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਆਈ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਦੇਰ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਜਾਣੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਦੌਕਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਏ ਤੂੰ ਦੇਰ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਜਾਣੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਦਫ਼ਤਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਏ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਡਰਦੀ ਪੁੱਛ ਬੈਠਾ ਤੂੰ ਵੱਡ ਖਾਣ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਣਾ ਏ ਤੇਰੀ ਪੀਏ ਮਾਰਦੀ ਨਿਤ ਤਾਨੇ तेरी पिए मार दी नित ताने वे मैं ताइयों भी घबराई होइयां
Good. DG Ramesh Bajaj sir, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can. Now I am
Yes.
audible.
Yes.
I hear your voice.
Thank you and welcome to you.
I'm so sorry that I am late here because I was logged in because we had organized Sister Shivani's meet today. So I had logged in and that, and we had around 1,000 people logged in. We had a package of 1,000 which was exhausted. And we had approximately 2,700 people logged in on Facebook.
Oh, great.
And Sister Shivani, she was just on a concluding thing, but I left in between. It's indeed a pleasure. It's indeed a pleasure to have our friends from 3 districts, 3054, 3292, and 3330. I don't know how this technology, we've been blaming technology earlier. That technology is this, everybody is glued, there's not many problems we had with the technology. But now, how happy we feel that when this technology brings us together. During this difficult period of COVID, I think nothing could have helped except for this technology. This technology has played a very vital role in bringing us together. Neither we could travel nor we could move out of the houses, but still we've been able to catch hold of each one of us rather, thanks to this technology. And I don't know for how long this COVID is going to last. maybe Dr. Rita is the right person, or Dr. Sanjay, or the doctor of eternity. I don't know whether they are even aware of how much time it's going to take more, because every time we've been listening, now it is at the peak, it will come down. But now gradually, every second day, we are watching more and more. Even my city, Panipat, I think every day there are 135 plus 135 to 150 people are reporting, getting reported every day. And this is not the story of Panipat, it is for every city. Every city is affected badly. So what is required out of us at the moment is stay indoors, stay safe. Forget about any Rotary projects. Forget about anything else you want to do, because every president has a lot of plans. Boss, if you are safe, if you are healthy, service we can do later. Whatever we can do while being in the limits, while being in the safety zone, or while being in the comfort zones, we must do that, but nothing going outside and taking the risk. Life is more important than anything else. Our families are more important than anything else. First is our family, then becomes our workplace, and the third priority should be for the Rotary. Even for the president also, he might have to make a balance for all these three, because he's taken up a job, so Rotary is also on some priority, but certainly, friends, not at the cost of your family's health or your own health. I am sure that when the moment the slightest of the COVID thing starts declining, we will be out on our wings to fly and catch hold of each one of our friends who've been waiting desperately, and we've been also waiting desperately to have them here with us. But God has something else in store for us. Certainly, we are waiting for the COVID thing to die down. And the moment it is there, we would certainly each one of you with all your families. Till then, we can only say good health to each one of you. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay indoors, and take adequate precautions for yourself. And if you have any old people staying nearby you, please make it a point to visit them, take care of them, because they have nobody else except the neighbors. Rotary has always had been the saviors in the list of the saviors. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ जहाँ सरकारें नहीं पहुँचती वहाँ पे रोटरी पहुँचती है. So maybe in your neighborhood also, जहाँ पे हो सकता है उनके बेटे नहीं पहुँच पा रहे, उनका परिवार नहीं पहुँच पा रहा, you are the one who could catch hold of them, you are the one who could reach them. So my all good wishes, my all what I could say, not blessings. Blessing I could give to my youngers, but I have many people. I can see Ram Susaria ji here. So हम उनसे आशीर्वाद हमें चाहिए कि हमें आशीर्वाद मिलता रहे सब बड़ों का, और रोटरी में जो एक जिम्मेवारी ली है उस जिम्मेवारी को हम अच्छे तरीके से निभा पाएं. Be it the governorship, be it the presidentship, be it even the ordinary Rotarian. Being a Rotarian is also a big responsibility. Thank you so very much. I am once again very sorry for joining very late, because I couldn't listen to your melodious songs and other interesting discussions which I could not participate in. But certainly some other time I would love to present myself in physical and enjoy all those delicacies of talks which you had. Thank you once again.
Thank you, DG sir. Thank you for your kind words and for your blessings. And we will certainly look forward to have physical exchanges with other people, with all these people. And we would like to involve you as we have always done before. Thank you so much, sir. So to summarize, what we have achieved out of these Rotary Friendship Exchange programs that we have had, and I'm sure all the 4 clubs who are present here will agree with me, is this bond. The bond, with, as Nitin said, which is an inseparable bond, and it is a lifelong bond. So that is the achievement of our Rotary Exchange programs, which we have already had. But before we conclude this,
I would like to go through the RI guidelines as regards the Rotary Friendship Exchange programs, which enumerate as such, like it helps to broaden the international understanding. It explores to explore a profession or job in different context, to build enduring friendships, to establish a foundation for peace and service, to gain opportunities for active project involvement and support, to learn about regions, people, food, languages, customs, and history, and of course, find partners for grants. And I'm sure all of us are well aware about Nepal's proposal, and I'll send it to you, the respected DG sir, and probably we can be partner with that. And that will be another step forward for these RFE programs that we are having these days. These virtual meetings, they are going to become the call of the day during this COVID times, because we have I attended a meeting, RFE meeting with RFE RAG, Rotary Action Group, 3 days back, and they were also coming out with some proposals for having these virtual meetings for the dissemination of various kinds of, like whether it is a project kind of interaction, or whether it is a cultural kind of interaction, or whether it is a professional interaction. They are going to come out with guidelines, and they are going to send it out to us, and probably all the clubs who are partnering here with us, we are going to share it with them, and we are going to ultimately work on those lines. There's a dual club certification also, which we can apply for, and for that we have already started working. We have already had one international virtual Rotary exchange program with Rotary Club of London, and that was also very successful. And ultimately our target has to be not only the exchange of cultures and exchange of our food and everything, but also the ultimate target should be the global grants, so that we are able to help the needy, and also various service projects, whichever we can partner with. So that is what the target has to be. And ultimately, I'm sure that by having these virtual meetings with the international partners, we can achieve our goals. And I must thank you all for being here with us. And I would rather like to request Rotarian Tulsi sir, who is the RFE chair of our club, to propose a vote of thanks. Over to Rotarian Tulsi sir.
Before that, can I pitch in for a moment?
Sure.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Sir, you just referred about the twin club thing.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Kalra. So if any partnership between the sister club or the twin club, I have that format with me. I have the certification with me. You can have that from me, and you can have those things signed from both the clubs, and that partnership can be done.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. So that is another achievement, another feather in our cap. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, you can. Yeah. Over to Tulsi ji.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
My salutations to all the present Rotarians on behalf of Rotary Club of Chandigarh Midtown, and on behalf of our President Sanjay Bhatia. I wish to thank each and every participant who has shown his interest in this virtual meeting, the first of its kind. I have equally enjoyed my stay in Thailand. It has rekindled the pleasant memories which we had there. Similarly, I am equally happy the way Ahmedabad Rotarians came to Chandigarh and showed their love and affection. I'm hopeful that soon we'll be able to meet physically together. My profound thanks are also to the district governors who were present during the meeting for sparing their time and giving their suggestions. My sincere thanks are also due to all the presidents of Rotary clubs who have participated, along with the secretaries who have planned for and participated in the event. My special thanks are also due to Dr. Sanjay Kalra, supported by Dr. Rita Kalra, for taking this exceptional step of making us meet together today. I got a WhatsApp message which sums up the meeting of today, which says, "ये साल बातों में बीत गया दोस्तों, ये साल बातों में बीत गया दोस्तों, दुआ करो अगला साल मुलाकातों में बीते." दुआ करो अगला साल मुलाकातों में बीते. This year has passed by holding virtual meetings or telephone calls. Let's pray we can visit each other next year. Thanks once again for participation. Stay safe, stay connected. Thank you.
Thank you, Tulsi sir, for your blessings, and we always look forward to have you with us with your blessings and kind words, and of course your hospitality always, which you always provided to us. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would hand it over to the President, Dr. Rotarian Sanjay Bhatia, for the concluding remarks.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjay. This has been a great session, and especially I would like to thank all our participants from the different districts who really made it so lively. And my also special thanks to our DG Ramesh sir. Normally safety announcements are made at the beginning of when you take a flight or when we have events for emergency exits, but the point is you did make a very, very strong case that safety comes first. Thank you so much for making a very relevant point there. I would like to now request Secretary Shuchi for the birthdays and anniversaries following this week.
Thank you, President Sanjay. Here are the birthdays and anniversaries. We have the birthday of Rotarian Kundbala Goyal on 28th August and Dr. Rohit Sahani on 28th August. We have the birthdays of Rotarians Vijay K. Gupta, 29th August, our very own past President Pallav Sir on 2nd September, and Rotarian Jagvinder Singh Baba on 3rd September. Pallav Sir, you have to unmute yourself. I have sent the request. Please start your video. At least we can wish you virtually since you're right here. Pallav Sir, can you hear me? Okay, it seems he can't hear us. But a very, very happy birthday from all of us here. And thanks a lot for joining us. Have a nice evening.
So before I join the meeting, I'll request Secretary Shuchi to unmute everyone. We would leave the room, Zoom room open for say 10 minutes because I still see a good number of members who are here, and if time is not a constraint, we could take 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Everyone would be unmuted. And my thanks, and let me say that this is not the end. The association continues, and I'm sure there would be many more ways that we can connect even in these times. There are some ideas that Dr. Sanjay and I have, and maybe we could do an event, besides the meeting that we had today, we could probably do events together. So thank you, and here I hereby adjourn the meeting. With the room will remain open for a couple of minutes more, 10-15 minutes. Thank you so much, everyone.
Well, President Sanjay, if you allow me to leave, can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Meeting is adjourned. So yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye, and
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye bye.
I would request Indu ma'am, she has some couplets with her.
All right.
Indu ma'am. Thank you.
हमारा पिछला भी खा लेना।
थेपला भी खा लेना।
मैंने जयकारा लगा के गया था यार अपनी चीज।
Bye bye everybody.
Bye.
फोटो भेजो अपना।
Okay, thank you. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll send you.
Thank you. Bye.
So I think Indu ma'am wanted to recite something. If she's
Thank
there.
you. A very nice meeting. Thank you. Really enjoyed. Bye.
Ma'am, can you hear us? You are already unmuted.
Bye bye. Bye bye. See you.
Bye.
Thank you, Dr. Carla.